Good morning. Here's our tutorial, Somewhere Over the Rainbow, how to do the strumming. So let's just take the C chord. The D stands for down, the U stands for up. So the pattern for this is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's put the metronome on. Then we're going to strum to a slow tempo, 60. So strum along this intro, the C, E minor, F, C chord. Ready, try. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, F, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Try this tempo again. Ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, going to the C, down, down, up, down, down, up. So practice at that tempo several times. Let's take the tempo up a little faster to 72 this time. See if we can still strum that pattern. 72 beats per minute. Ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, pause, do the F, down, down, up, down, down, up, finger C, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's do this tempo without pausing. Ready, go, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 F, down, 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 C, down, 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 up. Let's try a little faster tempo. 84. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Try a next faster tempo. 96. 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Right, keep practicing those so you can strum it fluently.